Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Buckle up your seatbelts. It is day 3 of the engine swap. Joseggy has already put his newly installed Max Jack's car lift to good use, and Antonio has him swapping out and changing the transmission from automatic to standard on this Japanese right-hand drive Honda Civic. So sit back, strap in, and get ready for another exciting video. Day 2.5 of, what did you do? You did an engine swap?
Yep.
And you made it.
Engine swap.
No, it's a blown pump. I don't have my tools, but maybe I can rig something.
Automatic to manual.
There! Now you're gonna leak some oil, but you just gotta make it around.
Carburetor to fuel injector.
Oh, and a wheel might fall off. What?
So after we do all this valve, or after we do drag it off, I'll press out the front. The front what? The front windshield. Crack from here like this. Crack down. You got it like a rock, a rock heater right here. And the heat probably crack it. I know how to weld it. I did my black actor, Antonio. And I didn't buy nothing. I used all this shit from the basement. I'm buying stuff. You gotta do it nice. Yeah. You look in the garage. I'm throwing out all the trash. Organized, so the undercoating, the floors,
Truck bed liner.
fender liners.
Hold the boat together, but it creates a super strong watertight seal, so the inside is completely dry.
Fender aprons. Yeah. Try that out.
That's what she said.
So the application of the undercoat is being applicated by this guy over here.
We don't know this guy.
It's making a left, right? You see it? It's over here. The caliper's over here.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, doggy!
They're gonna hate your bucket. They're gonna talk about it.
Where's the bucket? Show the bucket.
They're gonna say you're using the wrong bucket.
Show the bucket you're using. And the brush. What number brush is
You're
that?
supposed to be using a roller.
To number 2.
Oh, it's supposed to be a roller.
You're not using enough.
Look, I'm rolling it on there now.
So now, when we get that guy on here, suspension's pretty
So what does this do exactly for anyone who doesn't?
Rust preventative.
Oh. It's a rust inhibitor, sound deadener, deadening. All right, I'll take your word for it.
Tighten up the camber kit, basically to the middle. Again, I don't know how it's gonna react. So I'm just gonna go with a neutral position bar. I'm pretty sure that the front has to be a little bit stiffer than the rear bar. So
I still gotta strip all those wires and fucking do the
maybe just 6. So I'll go all the way firm,
What do I wanna do first?
and then maybe I'll go back just
Fix it or not, critter! Let's say I did. Go, go, go!